Hello there. Do you have an Excel problem wherein you want to get the value of this cell from an Excel table, but you have to consider multiple criteria? Well, this video might help you on that. I have a video before that discusses about the formulas that I used on cells, which is inifs and maxifs. That is also has a lot of multiple criteria, and it is also wrapped inside an if statement. If you are interested to know how I derive this formula, you may search that video in the list of my YouTube videos. Okay, so this video, I want to get the maximum loan from these tables. Okay, so if this is a yes, we'll be getting that data from this table, from this column. If it's a no, we'll be getting from this. So if it's a yes and a purchase, and this is 70, we want to get 30,000 in here. If it's 83% and it is a yes and it's a purchase, we want to get this 20,000. Okay, can we use VLOOKUP to solve the problem? Yeah, we can use VLOOKUP. However, the classic VLOOKUP it only uses a single condition to match, so we're only matching this percentage. So how about this? We can wrap that VLOOKUP inside an if statement, but it will be too complicated and it makes our life harder. So the best way to get the value from this table is to use index match. So you need to use index match that uses multiple criteria. Okay, so how that done? Okay, let's do the work. Okay, index. So our array is what column do we want to get our answer? Okay, so we want the column of the loan, so it's this one, and we want to fix it. Okay, and then match. We are going to use index match with multiple criteria. So let's input one in here that is fixed, and we need to do another index inside the match formula. Okay, so index, and inside this index we'll do logical comparison. So let's use this one, fix that one. So if yes is, I'm sorry, it's not yes, but it's this purchase. So let's compare purchase from this column. Okay, it's okay. There should be two parentheses there. Let's multiply it with another logical formula. So let's use this one, the percentage, and we want to compare the percentage from this column. Okay, and then let's drop that. Okay, I'm sorry for that crying baby on the other side. Okay, so our yeah, we should respect the index match formula, so we need to put these values in here, default values. Then we are looking for the exact match. Then let's close the index and press enter. So we get 30,000. Why did I use the index inside this index match formula? Yeah, if we don't use index, okay, we need to input Control Shift Enter. So I'll show you that in a second. So if we remove this index inside index match and just use the classical index match, okay, it's in A, so we need to press Control Shift and Enter because we used logical formulas inside a match, and this formula is an array formula, so we need to press Control Shift Enter so that it will be treated as an array formula. So the problem in here is that if you click inside this formula and you exit, okay, this becomes the problem. So if someone doesn't know about that Control Shift Enter, then your spreadsheet is now has now an error. So we need to use index in here. We should wrap our logical formula inside an index formula. Then we need to respect the index syntax. And there's no need to press Control Shift Enter. So it works. Even if somebody just look inside this formula, press Enter, then you don't worry about the Control Shift Enter thing. Okay, so if we drag this one, okay, 70 and 83%. 83% should be 20,000. So something's wrong. Yeah, we should not fix the value of column. Just to fix the row, but not the column. Let's drag this one. Okay, so 83% we are getting 20,000 and 93% 10,000. What if I want to make this formula dynamic so that if I drag this formula to other cells, it will use the appropriate column? So this max loan is using this column, minimum this DSCR should use this column, and max if ICO should use this column. So if you notice, this has 4 letters that is all the same, so you can use this formula, and then let's add another match formula for the column. So this match formula is for this is for the row. It is matches this ones, so we want a match to handle these columns, and it will match here. So let's use another match in here for the column number, this one. Let's use match. Okay, so what is our lookup value? This one. So let's take the last 4 letters. So that is right. This one. Okay, and we need to fix the column only. Okay, and 4 characters, and our lookup array is this one to fix that one, and our match type is exact match, right? Now let's close the match. So is everything fixed? C4 I10 match. So if we drag this one, okay, I think it's all good. Let's press enter. Are we getting a reference error? Reference error SCR. Is the error in? So we close match, closing the match one. Okay, index. So let's debug the formula using the formula. Guys, so where is that error coming from? Alright, uh, right, CR. We're looking at the CR and what's wrong with it? Okay, next, so we're looking D7, D7, yeah, D7 to, alright, we need to update our range, okay, our array range, okay, yeah, we need to update, makes sense, we need to update this array so that it includes all of these rows, all of these cells, just like that, and press enter. Let's drag it. There you go. So if it's purchase, okay, purchase 30,002, and this should be 680. It's 680. Drag there. Same. 1,000. 20,000. The minimum DSCR should be 1.75 and 700. Alright, here's around. It's around. Okay, just okay. There you go. Decimal places, and there you go. So 93%, 10,000, 1.25, and then 900. So it's all good. We just need to use an if statement in there to consider this yes. So if this one that is equal to yes, then perform this one, this table. Let's copy this. Else, well, this could be just yes or no. So there's no need to put else if it's no. Just use else. Just move this down. Okay, that's so we'll be using this one. They move correctly. No, updated the wrong range. So I should update this range. No, let's use this range. Oh, no, doesn't work that way. So let's just update it as D15, 15 to D20. Match and C4. Okay. 15. D15 to 20. 20. And C15. C. Match. H7. H7. Okay. And this range. Alright, so this range, let's use the same range. Let's close it. And if this is a no, what should be the value? Oh, it's wrong. What's the error in there? So, what is the error? Ah, yeah. The error is that I did not drag the formula. So, should drag the formula. Update this cells too. Okay, so 68%. 68% of the purchase. 8%. 91. 80. Okay. 75%. 81 and 700. Okay. Let's try rate in term. Rate in term. 60%. Rate in terms. Okay. 70%. 110,000. 1.25. Okay. What's going on? 680. Why is not? It's not taking. Okay, yeah. Need to format that too. Okay, let's format this as 2 decimal places and that will solve the problem. Okay, there you go. So I used index match formula, and inside that index match there is also an index inside it. So that's how this problem is solved. Okay, if you have more complicated formulas, you can contact me on Upwork or in my email and I can help you solve that formula. Thank you for watching.